What's going on YouTube? Catching Monsters of Ohio Peyton back for another short video on a unboxing and review on the new KastKing Pliers and fish lip grippers. Stay tuned. Okay YouTube, let's get into this unboxing. Okay YouTube, let's talk a little bit about these pliers. So these pliers are made of a corrosion resistant 420 stainless steel. Another sweet thing about these pliers, there are so many multi-functions you could do with them. For example, you can open split rings, tune your baits, remove hooks, crimp split shot weights, cut fishing line. And it's just crazy to think you can do all this with one pair of pliers. Another thing I wanted to talk about is this non-slip design handle. They made these handles rubber so you can prevent the slipping. You have a sure grip on these. And if you have like catfish slime, any type of fish slime or anything on your hands, this prevents it from slipping out of your hands when you're trying to use them. That's another thing that I think is really cool about this. Another sweet thing that comes with this product is this molded sheath. It's sweet because they gave this molded sheath to you so you can store your pliers in it and use this clip and clip it on basically your belt or your tackle bag or your book bag, anything really, so you don't lose the pair of pliers. Another thing that comes in the package are these fish lip grippers. These fish lip grippers are also made out of the 420 stainless steel too, which is sweet. It's supposed to help out with like the corrosion once water gets on them. They're not supposed to corrode. Also, another sweet thing is this little lanyard that comes on it. You can put this around your wrist so when you're using them to release the fish, you're not dropping your fish grips in the water. Another thing that is great about these is this foam handle. It's kind of like the rubber design I was telling you about the pliers, but the rubber handles is supposed to prevent it from getting too slippery when you have all that fish slime or whatever on your hands. You're supposed to have like firm grip on this. Also, the weight you can use on this is up to 33 pounds, 15 kilograms. As you can see, this design is a well-made design, heavy duty, and you don't have to worry about like the cheap plastic fish grips breaking every time you use them. They actually spent some time designing these. Also, I forgot to mention, if you don't like the green color, they also have two other colors as well, which is black and orange. But me, the green really catches eyes of people. Just look how bright it is. I just wanted to stop in and give my honest opinion about this product. So I think this is a great investment. The reason being is the combo is only $25.99. But that being said, you get the pliers, the molded sheath, and the fish grips all in one. Another reason this is a great investment because you can use these both in freshwater and saltwater. Also, the design is just stout. It's not a cheap plastic like other designs and not having to worry about breaking after one use. Okay, YouTube, I just wanted to stop in and say thank you for taking your time and watching this unboxing and review on the new KastKing Pliers and the new fish grips. Also, I'm going to leave a link in the description. Go check them out or grab yourself a pair today. You will not be disappointed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch a Monsters of Ohio Peyton signing out. Thank you for watching.